Hello, I'm back with another episode of my series Apéritif in Pairs, where I make a drink and nibbles that work well together. And this week I've gone in full festive mode. We've got some maple glazed pigs and blanket with a cranberry Negroni, a perfect pairing of fatty, smoky sweetness balanced out with a sharp drink to cleanse the palate. Pigs and blankets are pretty straightforward. Just wrap the sausages in some smoky, streaky bacon rashers, and in full contradictory flexitarian fashion, I'm using vegan sage and onion sausages, but wrapping them in pig bacon. And I know it sounds crazy, but it's all about balance and small changes, and this way I think they taste just as delicious, but you've reduced your meat intake massively, so I highly recommend. Now, once they're all wrapped up and cozy in their blankets, they're ready to go in the oven until they're golden brown. Just give them a little shake halfway through and a good drizzle of maple syrup, and then put them back in the oven until they're done. Then you can cut them into small bite-sized portions and lay them out ready for a tasty aperitif. The drink is just as easy to put together: equal measures of Campari, red vermouth, London dry gin, and cranberry juice. Then you stir that with ice until it's nice and cold. Traditionally, you'd go for a good 5 minutes here, but I completely understand if you can't be bothered. Just get it as cold as you can. Then strain it into an ice-cold glass, and I've garnished it with a few frozen cranberries. Hope you enjoy this pairing, and as always, please make sure to like and subscribe for more every week.